Concealed runners mount discreetly in the cabinet and beneath the drawer. No functional hardware is visible to the kitchen user. This allows cabinet manufacturers to showcase the beauty of their dovetailed wood drawers, whether in the kitchen or throughout the rest of the home. Blum has been manufacturing concealed runners since the mid-90s. Over the last 25 years, we've seen the trend in the market towards using concealed runners in mid to high-end cabinetry in America. Our manufacturing facility in Stanley, North Carolina has actually helped us keep up with the high demand for these concealed runners over the years. MOVENTO brings together all the features, benefits, and innovations that we have been perfecting since we first started manufacturing drawer runners in the 1960s. It is available in standard and heavy-duty versions, which accommodate a wide variety of drawer lengths and can be installed in face frame or frameless applications. All MOVENTO runners come standard with 4-dimensional adjustment and full extension. All of our MOVENTO concealed runners are at least full extension. The version for waste container drawers actually has an overextension, where the drawer will extend past the face of the cabinet by about 3/4 of an inch. This allows for easier back bend removal. MOVENTO runners are engineered to be versatile. They allow for freedom in design as they can be used in traditional face frame applications as well as ultra-modern frameless applications. They can also be used in wide, narrow, or deep drawers throughout the home. This includes interior rollouts and drawers in the kitchen, pantry, office, closet, and bathroom, as well as commercial applications. In addition to the versatility offered by the standard program, there is a special version of MOVENTO that is designed specifically for waste container drawers. This is due to the high load capacity, smooth running action, and light opening forces. We offer pre-assembled sets for the most popular cabinet widths. They can easily be bottom mounted in a face frame or frameless application. Storage space is always at a premium in the kitchen. MOVENTO is designed with a high load capacity to accommodate wide, deep drawers which will store anything you would like them to hold. Heavy-duty cast iron, stoneware, food processors, toasters, or anything else that can clear up countertop space can all be stored within a drawer which runs on MOVENTO. MOVENTO comes standard with our soft close motion technology called BLUMOTION. Combine MOVENTO with one of our other motion technologies, TIP-ON BLUMOTION or SERVO-DRIVE, to ensure that drawers open with a light press of the front and still close silently and softly.